Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in the 2024 Volvo S60 T8 Recharge. It's a really cool car. It's a dark theme, all-wheel drive plus, 2-liter turbocharged direct inject engine with electric motor, 455 horsepower, 523 pound-feet of torque, 74 mpge, and gasoline only is 31 miles per gallon. I really like these Volvos, these recharge Volvos. I love plug-in hybrids. I think they're the best of both worlds. Really nice. You have your touchscreen in the center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Google controls as well, right there. Pretty easy to use. And you also have the Google Maps in the center of your gauge cluster. Pretty foolproof. This is like the light interior. You have really beautiful wood trim in this car, and then here's your start-stop engine button. This vehicle has an MSRP of roughly $59,000. It's finished in this white color. You have a door up front for charging, and you also have your gas door back there. T8 all-wheel drive recharge badge back here. Your trunk space, some Volvo accessories in the back of this one, and you also have the kick tailgate, as you can see there, where you put your foot under the trunk and it'll open for you. I don't think I closed that properly. There we go. Here are your rear seats. You have heated rear seats, which is pretty cool. And those are the wheels. Those are like the wheel design you see on like electric Volvos and PHEV Volvos. And it also says recharge on the door sill. This is my first time driving the S60 T8 Recharge, so I'm excited. Oh wait, let's reverse camera. One thing I'm really glad Volvo did is before you have to like push this back twice to go into drive and push it forward twice to go into reverse, which was super annoying to me. I'm really glad they fixed that. That was frustrating for me. And so I was talking to someone about this, and they were telling me, a Volvo salesperson, and what they were telling me was like the battery will charge as you drive, so you don't even really need to plug it in. You'll be getting like mid-50 fuel economy, which is amazing. Mid-50s, like 55 miles a gallon and things like that, which is really awesome. Wow, this thing is fast. I mean, man, 455 horsepower is not a joke. That is not a small number. And 500 something pound-feet of torque. That is not a joke at all. So I'm not surprised that this car is really, really fast. It's really smooth power delivery. That's impressive, man. Man, I never really like knew much about Volvos, but recently I've been really driving more of them and learning more about the cars. I think they're really, really nice. Like the build quality in Volvos are amazing. Obviously the safety ratings are super high. I didn't even know they made cars like plug-in hybrids like these that had this kind of power. I never knew the Rechargers had like almost 500 horsepower. That's insane. It's just, I don't know why I never knew that. But this is really nice. I'm liking this a lot. I think this is probably one of the best daily drivers that you could possibly have, you know, especially if you like sedans. That is really, really fast, man. Wow, very fast. Yeah, this thing accelerates so effortlessly. You barely put your foot on the gas and it flies. This is the perfect daily driver. The ride quality is fantastic. It's so quiet in here. The acceleration is so smooth. The interior feels wonderful. Amazing car from Volvo. Very good job, Volvo, on this car. It's just so nice. Like, I don't have anything bad to say about it. I love it. This is amazing. It doesn't even feel like a gas car. It has the smoothness of an EV. Like, what the heck? That's amazing. Like, I'm barely even putting my foot on the gas. Like, I have it on like 4th throttle and it's flying. And like, wow. Handling is really nice as well. No issues there. Wonderful car. Yeah, my impressions of this car, this is an amazing vehicle. I love everything about it. Yeah, this is a really nice car. I can't wait to get more videos on more recharge Volvos. And Volvos are just so classy. Like, you know, they are so beautiful but understated. The styling, it's just it's such a it's a pleasure to drive these cars. You know, you're cocooned from the road, and you know, it feels great to be in this car. I love it. I love every bit of this car. Let's go through that window sticker real quick, learn a little bit more about this Volvo. You have, with the climate package, heated rear seats, headlamp cleaners, heated steering wheel, 12.3-inch digital driver display in this car. Luxury and convenience, laminated panoramic sunroof. And it's not even a button, you just kind of slide your finger on it and it'll open for you. You just like slide your finger like that. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. If you hit this 360 button, you can have a 360 view of everything you want. Pretty nice. I do wish this had like the Orforce crystal gear shifter, which I love, but if you don't have the crystal gear shifter, there's like a little loop, hole, which you can just put your finger through and shift forward, backward, whatever you want to do. But yeah, wonderful car. I love every bit of this Volvo S60 Recharge. This is an amazing daily driving vehicle. And yeah, that's all I got. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching Drew Drives, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.